When I tell y'all I have been loving these whole milk yogurts as a pre-workout snack, they are just really filling, and I don't know why. They just kind of give me some energy versus working out on an empty stomach, but it's not too heavy. It's got 5 grams of protein, quite a bit of sugar, but I do really like this whole milk one. This is the Lidl brand. Probably not as good as Greek yogurt when it comes to calories and sugar, but I really like the fullness that whole milk yogurt gives me versus like a non-fat yogurt.
Superset 1. Front rack, deficit split squat. 3 sets, 6 reps.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another fitness vlog. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Cece and this is my fitness channel where I like to share my fitness journey with you guys. It is actually my mom's birthday today, so we're gonna go bowling. We have to go to like this shoe store. We're gonna make tacos for dinner, so I was like, you know what, let's just vlog the day. Why not? I will be honest, I could not muster up the energy to put together a smoothie today, so I had that 3-egg omelet with sausage, spinach, and cheese, and now I'm just having some jam on toast. Also, did have a really good workout. You know, I'm trying to do like 12-3:30, but like I tried it like a few weeks ago and I nearly passed away because it was just so intense. So it's definitely something you have to work yourself up to. So I've been walking pretty fast on like a 7 incline for a few weeks now, and today I did 3 speed. I went up to 11 incline. And I did that, I'd say, for maybe like 10 minutes. I was like, okay, so I actually think that I could probably do a 12-3:30 now. But let me tell you something. Work your way up or you will nearly pass away, because I did. I was like, okay, so let's regroup. It was way harder than I was anticipating, but it is the 31st, so I am thinking about new goals for February. My sister and I were talking about doing yoga twice a week together because she's been out of the gym for a while. As we get older, I just really notice a difference when I stretch and when I don't, like in my muscles, I feel it in my joints, and I just feel like it needs to be prioritized. So that's one of the goals, and I think I'm going to change my step goal because I don't want to prioritize steps anymore. I want to prioritize like something like the 12-3:30, right? I want to get that extra cardio in. Typically I walk at like 3.3 to 3.5, like a really fast walk on the treadmill to get my steps in. And if I'm going to do like something similar to the 12-3:30, I am going to be decreasing the speed, so I won't be able to get as many steps in. So now I'm thinking about prioritizing doing 20 minutes. I don't know if I can do 30 minutes yet. Realistically, I genuinely don't think I can do that yet. I don't think I'm there yet, but I'm thinking doing like a 12-3:20 or something like that. So that's something I do want to think about and have a conversation with myself about goals for February, because I've done really well with the goals that I've set this month, and I'm proud of myself starting off the year strong. I hope that you guys are as well. Let me know down in the comments below one goal that you're trying to work on for the month of February.
The wave just thumbing through my brain.
It's lit. Not you cut us off.
For this life I cannot change.
heavier?
We'll go with 9.
There we go.
Pretty good.
What is up, you guys? So we've been kind of all over town today. We went to the shoe store. My mom went to this awesome place called Potomac River Running. Really helpful with fitting you for shoes that are good for the activities that you're doing. I remember I went there in high school, actually when I was in track, to get the proper shoes and insoles because I have flat feet. That was like over 10 years ago. And we went there today because my mom, I don't know if I told you guys, like it'll be 2 years ago this summer, she broke her ankle really badly. Like she's got like 12 screws and a plate in her ankle now, and she's just like kind of getting back into the swing of things with walking because she had major surgery also last winter or fall or winter. So she's just getting back into walking, and she felt like she needed some new shoes. So we did that, and that was really fun. And then we went bowling. I won the first game. Bowling was super fun. We haven't gone bowling in years. And then I ate a chicken club sandwich, which was pretty good. Oh, it's just past 5. I have finished up editing my video for tomorrow. I need to post a thumbnail and get the video ready to publish, but we're gonna have tacos and margaritas for dinner. So my sister is making some homemade tortillas right now. We do have tortillas made, but she wanted to get some content, so she's putting together the recipe right now. They're really easy to make. I do need to work on some water this evening, but honestly guys, like when it comes to like balance and like celebrations, like there's not often that I'll have margarita, and birthdays only come around so often, so I'm definitely more privy to just like enjoying the celebration and just doing my best with my, you know, goals for the day, and I'm totally okay with that. I'll get right back on track tomorrow. But my mom did run out. She wanted a coffee, so she went to Dunkin' Donuts, and of course I requested a coffee. I haven't had my coffee yet for the day, but let me tell you guys, like 30 minutes ago, have you guys seen Finding Nemo where like Marlin is going bouncing on the jellies and he's holding Dory and he's like, stay awake, stay awake? That was me like half an hour ago, and I was sitting in my bed editing. I was like, I need to move because I'm gonna fall asleep. But I'm gonna try to drink at least half of my 32 ounce. Anything more than that I'll be proud about. So this is what my water is looking like. Let's do a little chug. If you have water, if you don't, go get it. Go grab your water, pause the video. Let's do a chug together. Stay hydrated, queens and kings out there. Stay hydrated, y'all. Okay, so I'm actually gonna make my mom a birthday margarita. One of her friends dropped off some Patron and margarita mix, and we still have some of this. So I'm gonna throw together a margarita for her. Okay, and then these are the tortillas. It is 8:30 and I'm about to take my contacts out, take my makeup off for the night, and like honestly get really comfortable because it's about that time. If you guys have any cleansing oil or cleansing balm recommendations, please let me know. I'm running out of my current makeup remover, which I mean I really only use it like once or twice a week, but I do like using a balm or an oil to remove my makeup versus makeup wipes. So if you have any good recommendations, let me know.